What is up, guys? Norse Digital Assets coming at you with another video. This is my first ever video since hitting 1,000 subscribers. So thank you to all the subscribers, all the likes, the comments. Thank you for your support so far in this channel. This video is going to be on Cardano. If you liked that intro, click the like button below. Hyping up Cardano a little bit. We have Charles Hoskinson teaming up with Paul Oakenfold for a full music album on the Cardano blockchain. Pretty cool. If you don't know who he is, I guess in like 1998, 1999, he was voted as the #1 DJ in the world before some of the DJ space blew up in the 2000s and got bigger and bigger. He's a little bit older now, but pretty cool to see a partnership like that. Charles is very ambitious. And in this video, we're going to cover Cardano. If you haven't followed my Twitter yet, follow me on Twitter. And if you have not subscribed, click my logo down here in the bottom right-hand corner. Click subscribe for exit strategies. Hit the bell notification so that when I release videos in the bull run or towards the end of the bull run, I will be giving warnings on when I am getting out of positions, when I am rotating from one position into another. When particular coins reach the top, I will be taking profits and rotating them into coins that are near the middle of the pack or the bottom of the pack. So subscribe for that. Subscribe for the end of the bull run exit strategies. Click subscribe down here, please. And let's head towards 2,000 next. We hit 1,000. I guess 2,000 is the next goal. So thank you for that. And let us dive into the Cardano chart here. We have a descending triangle that I drew on Cardano here. According to Bulkowski's pattern charting, he has descending triangles with a 53% chance of an upside when you break out of the triangle. I think the odds are way higher of the upside in this because, number one, we had a large run up coming into the descending triangle. That's number one. Number two, we have corrected just fine with the rest of the market and stayed healthy on the EMAs. We are also heading into Q4, which should be a nice movement up. Bitcoin is also finding support, so we have a lot of reason to believe that when we exit this triangle, that we will be heading up. We're getting closer and closer to the apex. The apex is on October 15th. We could break out a lot sooner than that, but that's when the apex is anyways. So shorter term, let's measure out. We can measure this descending triangle right about here and extrapolate that out. If we break out of it anytime soon, we are looking at towards a $3 and around $3.18 Cardano. If it takes a few more days to break out, we're looking at more like a $3.08 Cardano. We'll see if that does materialize. That is very possible. And these work in waveforms, guys. Remember, that's why you don't just have only green candles. You have that there. You're working in the waveforms. You have all this up, down, up, down, up, down through there. It doesn't just go boom and go straight to $3.08 like I just showed. It's a technical target. So also we have this. This is a giant flag. Call it a flag. If that's the flag, here's the flagpole. Let's take a look. Let's measure the flagpole. How long is the flagpole? There it is. Let's extrapolate it out. Where is it going? Well, depending on when it breaks out, if it breaks out here, where is it heading? $4. Sorry, let me put it, I need to put it at the bottom of the descending triangle. Where is it heading? $4.04. Depends where it breaks out. If it breaks out here, $4.01. Either way, it's right around $4, and that could be in November. We'll wait and see. But this is a very nice pattern. This looks really good. This whole thing right here, this flag and flagpole. But yeah, like I just said, it works in waveforms. Like you aren't just gonna shoot to $4. You're gonna do this. That's how this works, is in waveforms. And then $4 would be a technical target where you could expect it to sit around that $4 for a second there. $4 is also a psychological target, so it could act as resistance and keep hitting its head on $4, but could definitely sit around that $4 there for a minute. So we'll wait and see. We'll see what happens. That's what we're getting there. And let's go to the 4-hourly real quick. And let us remove drawings and reset chart. And very nice looking. We have right there, we have a buy signal. Not financial advice, but we do have a buy signal on the 4-hourly time frame where the 20 EMA comes back over the 55 EMA. We had a fake out there that we never got it. Here we have crossed it, and you can see the green line coming up over the red line that is the 20 and the 55. We can also drop an EMA ribbon in there just to take a look and see what's going on with it. But yeah, pretty cool. You can see how the EMA ribbon is completely reversing. It got a little wide through here, had the fake out, thought it was going to reverse, it didn't, got a little bit wide through here, and now we are coming up over, so we'll see what happens with that. So Cardano, if you are wondering, it is Ada Lovelace, named after Ada Lovelace here. So let's see here. So Ada Lovelace, born in 1815, died age 36, 1852, but she is the Countess of Lovelace. A count is like one level below royalty, so it's like a level or two below that. It's not royalty or at the top, but it's up higher. And it says Ada Lovelace, she is often regarded as the first computer programmer. So it is named after Ada Lovelace. So that is pretty cool. Also, if we come here, a little bit other history on Cardano. So IOHK, which is the founding company of Cardano, has partnered with universities for blockchain research. In 2017, IOHK helped the University of Edinburgh launch the Blockchain Technology Laboratory. That's pretty cool. So this laboratory has been around for about 4 years now. In 2020, IOHK donated $500,000 in ADA to the University of Wyoming to support the development of blockchain technology. So that's very cool. They're also connected to the University of Tokyo and some other universities in the world. Very cool. Not to mention, Charles Hoskinson just donated out of his own personal pocket $20 million to Carnegie Mellon, one of the top universities in the world in Pennsylvania, and they are that is for mathematics. So that is very cool. Charles Hoskinson is very ambitious. He's very underrated. Anybody sleeping on Cardano, I think they're making a big mistake. All this stuff about they have smart contracts now, but nobody's using them. Nobody's building on them. Nobody likes Cardano. They're not building fast enough. They continue to move the goalpost for Cardano. Before, it was that they were never going to release smart contracts, and before that, there's always a new story that they're not going to do this, they're not going to do that. Well, they are. They're hitting their milestones on their roadmap, and Charles Hoskinson is very ambitious. He's on a 2-week vacation. I believe his vacation started 3 or 4 days ago, so it'll be another like week and a half when he is back from his ranch. He's doing no phone, no internet, nothing. And so when he is back from his vacation, he should be revitalized and fresh, and he's heading to Africa. I believe he's going to strike some deals with some different governments, some different companies. Who knows? We'll see. He's not going to Africa for no reason. I think he's going there to make some major moves. You're not going to go all the way over there just to hang out. He has some big plans. I'm also seeing a pattern with Cardano and IOHK that there's no hints leading up to these massive new deals. They don't give you any hints. They don't tell you what they're trying to do or what they're going to do. They just drop the news right in your lap and say, look, we've got this new deal, this new deal, this new deal, and this new partnership. So look out. That's basically what they're doing. So that's cool. So nobody knows. We'll see what they drop in the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. We'll see what they come out with. So that is pretty cool. So yeah, Cardano overall, there's not too much else to say on Cardano. Cardano looks really good. Everything looks like it's falling into place. The charts are pretty. We can go back to the daily real quick. Not much else to say. I have shown in previous videos, I have shown when we pull the fib, and this is on the log scale, when we do pull this fib, where is Cardano heading? Because it is one of the leaders in the pack, it's not like Solana where it's been up here already. It's not way ahead, but Cardano definitely beat its all-time high pretty easily. Tons of coins have not beat their all-time high. So it beat its all-time high from earlier in this year easily and was on a nice run. It's correcting now. Because it's one of the leaders in the pack, I fully expect Cardano to hit the 2272 during this bull run, which will take you to around $7.90. If the market is super hot or it extends out even longer before a bear cycle, we would look at 30% above this line. The reason it's 30% is because historically studying mini crypto charts in a bull run, you can expect to hit the 2272 and hit your head on it, or if it's really exploding, you can go 30% past. When it does that, it becomes overextended, overheated, and then it'll correct back. So you would go up towards this $10 mark, about right at $10, and then you'd be overheated and extended, and you'd come back and try to find support on this 2272 line. When you lose it, that's when you go into the bear cycle with everything else and you retrace back. So that's what I see for Cardano. I definitely expect that it can go to this 2272 in this bull run if we get a nice bull run. So that's where it's heading. The fibs don't lie, the charts don't lie, and everything's looking pretty good for Cardano. So click subscribe below. Click my logo down here in the bottom right-hand corner if you haven't clicked it yet. Let me know what you think. Even if you didn't like the music at the start of the video, attention, attention, attention. Money follows attention. So yeah, Cardano, very aggressive. They are going to be releasing a music album with the DJ, so that is pretty cool. And yeah, that's going to be about it for Cardano. Cardano is making some nice movements, and the charts look pretty. So that's going to be it for this video, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Click like, click the bell notifications. See ya.